Let's dive deeper into Ayatul Kursi, not just as a verse, but as a cosmic proclamation of divine sovereignty, protection, and knowledge. This verse is a spiritual fortress, a metaphysical map, and a theological masterpiece all in one. Ayatul Kursi, Surah Al-Baqarah, 205. Allahu la ilaha illa huwa Allah. There is no deity except Him. Al-Hayyul Qayyum, the ever-living, the sustainer of all existence. La ta'khudhuhu sinatun wa la nawmun. Neither drowsiness overtakes Him nor sleep. Lahu ma fi as-samawati wa ma fi al-ard. To Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and the earth. Man dha alladhi yashfa'u 'indahu illa bi'idhnih. Who is it that can intercede with Him except by His permission? يَعْلَمُ مَا بَيْنَ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَمَا خَلْفَهُمْ. He knows what is before them and what is behind them. وَلَا يُحِيطُونَ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنْ عِلْمِهِ إِلَّا بِمَا شَاءَ. And they encompass nothing of His knowledge except what He wills. وَسِعَ كُرْسِيُّهُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. His kursi, footstool, extends over the heavens and the earth. وَلَا يَؤُودُهُ حِفْظُهُمَا. And their preservation does not tire Him. وَهُوَ الْعَلِيُّ الْعَظِيمُ. And He is the Most High, the Most Great. Deeper benefits of reciting Ayatul Kursi, spiritual shield. Reciting it after every prayer forms a divine barrier against evil, jinn, and shayateen. It's like wearing armor made of light protection during sleep. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Whoever recites it before sleeping will be guarded by an angel throughout the night." Mental clarity and focus. It's said to sharpen memory and bring mental peace, especially when recited during times of stress or confusion, light in the grave. Reciting it for the deceased is believed to bring light and comfort to their resting place, tranquility and sakina. It calms the soul, especially in moments of fear, grief, or uncertainty. It's a spiritual reset button. Affirmation of Tawheed. Every line affirms Allah's oneness, power, and knowledge, making it a theological anchor for faith. Cosmic majesty. His kursi extends over the heavens and the earth, evokes awe. Imagine a divine throne encompassing galaxies. Intercession, reminder. It humbles us. No one can intercede except by His permission. It teaches reliance on Allah alone. Daily blessings. Reciting it regularly invites barakah into your home, your work, and your relationships. Guidance and light. It's a beacon in darkness. Reciting it during hardship can realign your heart with divine wisdom.